Morning. I just got up and let the dogs out. So I thought I'd make a video because today I'm planning on doing a little sewing video of my newest patches on a flannel because I'm addicted to patches. I have a yellow flannel that I haven't worn in ages, so I'm going to give it a new life. I have that one, and then I have a smiley face patch. So I'm looking forward to that because I love doing patches. I'm gonna go eat some breakfast, and then I might have to wait till my dad leaves because he might think I'm weird for videoing this sort of stuff, but yeah. All the critters are here this morning. Furnace is on, sorry for the noise. There's Grayson. Pip just came in from outside. He's all chilly. It snowed again last night. It's pretty white out. Lots of nice new snow. I just checked the freezer and we don't have any more waffles in the house, so I'm putting on my big boots and I'm gonna go outside, get some waffles. It's kind of chilly out this morning, but it's pretty nice. There's Willie. Yeah, you're a good boy, aren't you? It's nice and powdery out this morning. I might not have needed my boots, but I don't want to get snow in my running shoes. Yeah, it's actually not too bad out today. Hey, Mr. Willie, you love the snow, don't you, buddy? Okay, waffles. Got the waffles. This is how we lock our shed. I think we might have had something for it at one time, but now we just use a screwdriver. Hey, Willie! Hey, you big fella. I know you're happy to see me, aren't you? Yeah, you're cute. Hi. Are you happy? Are you happy? Oh. You don't need these waffles. No. Snow off there. Got the waffles going. I think I'm going to have some of this on there. Put that on my spot. And then I'm also going to have some of this other really good stuff. I love this stuff. It's like Nutella but pistachio, and it's really good. Some butter. Pip's begging to go into my parents' room. It's too early, bud. It's too early. Dad'll get mad at me if I let you in. Now I get to put the dishwasher away because we have no utensils, which is great. I kind of need those to eat waffles, so I'm going to do that here. Just put the dishwasher away. I got the kettle going because I'm going to make a green tea. And now I have strawberries because I want strawberries with my waffles. Stuffed by more of this. Dump all that ice out so that I don't make the trash all soggy and gross. Right. Cup. That is important for drinking. Waffles. Really hoping my strawberries don't explode by hissing a little bit. Waffles up here. Cat's begging for my waffles. just about as bad as the dog is. Just got back from breakfast. I will film more, but my dad got up and he's kind of weird about stuff like this. He thinks like videoing yourself is odd. So I stopped there, I took a picture of my breakfast, which I will put here. But I am going to sew on a patch to my flannel now. This is the flannel. It's a lot brighter yellow in person, but I haven't worn this since I was like probably 15 and I'm 17 now. So I'm gonna give it a new life. I'm gonna do that back patch on our sewing machine, but I'm going to do this one by hand. It's the patch. I really like it. I'm thinking I'm gonna put like there, kinda. I think that looks good. So as it turns out, it's an iron-on. So I'm gonna iron it on. Iron there. And then I'm gonna attempt to put some stitches in it. It's a lot thicker than I originally thought, so I'm not sure how good that's gonna go. Might have to use the sewing machine, but I'll see. There we go. I hope it's hot enough. I think it might be a little wonky because it hasn't been working as great lately, but I'm hoping it will melt the glue. So it looks like it worked. Glue's on there pretty good, so I'm gonna do the back patch next. Okay, got all laid out. Now we just got iron that bad boy. Finally got it a majority ironed on, so I got the top edges, and like these edges aren't on there very well. That's okay, because I'm going to sew it on. I got this patch on there. It's on there pretty good. I'll probably sew it on as well, just because it makes me feel better knowing it's really securely on there. It's okay. Dad just left, so I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna get my sewing done, and then I might go over to my grandparents' house. I'm at the sewing machine, just about to go. Mom's eating chili over there. So hopefully I can get through and I don't mess up my stitching up. One patch down. I lost control of the stitching a little bit up there, but overall pretty good. Now, push those on. I gotta do the smiley face. So stitching's a little bit wonky on that one, but as long as it holds, that's all that matters. Here's the completed project. I haven't put safety pins on it yet, but yeah. Keep forgetting once the happy face is on. There's the happy face, and then the back patch. It crinkles a little bit, kind of like right through, but that's okay. Looks cool. Found a shoelace. You're so silly. Such a silly fella. Eh? So I'm gonna put some safety pins on it now. Probably along the collar, maybe the cuffs. And then I might get some pins for it because I think that would look pretty cool. So I just got finished. Put it on here. I love putting pins on shit. There's the collar. Got a little X on that side and a whole bunch on that side. I did the little cuffs right there. I'll probably add more around the bands some other time, but I need to drive over my grandparents' house so it can wait. I'm looking forward to going over to my grandparents' house, but I'm also dreading it because sadly, since the last time I've been over, Jack, the orange cat that was featured in that video, sadly passed away unexpectedly. So I'm kind of dreading going over because he was so young. I nursed him back to health myself, so knowing he isn't going to be there to greet me is just kind of sad, to say the least.
No, what you doing, kitty? Hi.
Got my Kirby bag, I got Pip dressed in a sweater, so we are ready to go. Okay, no, don't go near that. Our washing machine is leaking. Okay, I will lock the dog in my bedroom. That is not good. Okay. Okay, you stay up there because I don't want you tracking that everywhere. Oh my god. Oh god. We need to shut the water off. Oh.
I thought, what happens if it's not stopping?
There's water everywhere. There's water there. It's going up the front. Well, it's a good thing that happened before we left.
Why? Like, what? I didn't do anything.
Yeah, that's...
Like, I did this. Oh. Did it maybe not?
Maybe it didn't lock all the way.
That feels...
Lily's just watching. We got all our stuff. Well, that could have been very, very bad. Near flood. The rain is pouring out, and we would have been gone for a couple hours.
Yep.
It would have been all water by the time we got back.
Oh, and it probably would have been.
It would have been in the kitchen.
Called a. I'm gonna redo the entire floor because.
Yeah.
Because if it gotten up here again, it's separated from the. Oh my god! And then I thought it's not stopping.
I am on my way. I'm going out to feed the goats because it's just one less thing for Mom right now, especially because our washing machine just did that. So I'm gonna go out, feed our goats there, and that could have been worse, way worse. Take the puppies over to Grandma and Grandpa's house. Just gonna drop my stuff over in my truck. Okay. No, it's not truck ride time yet. Okay. Let's put that in there. Now I'll go feed the goats. Hi. Okay. It snowed last night, so all their food's under snow. And they're very angry. Hey, Willow. Here's my goats. Had them for a very long time. Hey, guys. Hi. This one with the beard, that's Popper. And then that one's Bella. Yeah, I know. You'll eat my phone case if I drop this in there. Okay, we're finally setting out here. Yeah, it's in your bag. Great, come on, puppies. Let's go. Come on. Come here, Will. Don't you jump in the driver's seat. Come here. Come on. Come on. Willie. Good boy. Yeah. Okay, get your big tail in there. Okay, come on, Pip. Yeah, you stay back there. here, Pep. Let's get you loaded. Come on. Come here. Hi, Willie. Okay. Here we go. Alright. Willie jumps at every car that comes by. I know. Gonna chase him. No, Willie. Willie. Willie, no! He's so intent. This is Annabelle. This is my grandma's dog. She's a sweetheart. Yeah.
Oh, you should have saw her.
This is what tea's like. We're having Earl Grey today, so put a little bit of vanilla syrup in there. Grandma's got the cookies. She's got her nice teacups out. We got some coconut cake. Gonna play some Othello. It's gonna be a good time. Just got back home. I ate way too much sugar, but it was a good time. They had company over, which I didn't know were gonna be there, so I didn't film a lot, but it was a good time nonetheless. It's been a while since I last recorded. I had lunch, I had a bacon grilled cheese sandwich, and now I'm sitting in bed watching Jerma play the Eternal Cylinder, and I'm sewing on another patch to that flannel I was working on earlier. It's an 8-ball, and I'm gonna be putting more pins on it because I think it's gonna look cool. I forgot to do an outro, and it's currently 1:30 a.m., but it's whatever. So that was a good day. Made a dope ass flannel. Our washing machine gushed water everywhere. Had a tea party. It was a good day. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.